In this video, I'm going to show you how to install module in Odoo. So the first thing that we'll need to do is go over and click on apps. And the module that we will be installing as an example would be inventory. Now just search up the module that you want to install. For this example, I'll be installing inventory. Just click on install, and you're about to modify your pricing plan. You can test the feature during a 15 days period. After this period, your database will be locked unless you adapt your Odoo subscription. So just click on confirm and just wait for it to install. So once it's installed, you will find it on your dashboard. So as you can see, it is now installed and it will automatically take us to our dashboard. And let's find inventory right here. And here, inventory. And that's about it. That's how to install a module in Odoo. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.